Hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm your host, Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. First thing we're looking at here is a chart of the market, the mini S&P 500 futures contract. Last close yesterday, Thursday. This is Friday morning, November 21st. 749.75 was the close yesterday. Had a nice little move lower. Looks like 70 points was the range. The high was midday, 820. The low coming at the close around 750. We'll call it 750, 749.75. Obviously, what's the first thing you see when you look at this chart? I see red. What does red mean? Sell. Green means buy. Green means bullish. We'll go all the way back to Monday here. It's a bit of a neutral day, a bit of a flat day, but still below the trend predominantly. We did have some divergences here. We had some bullish indication here, a little bit of bullish there, but still negative and bearish here. This is our primary indicator we look at, and this was the one that would win out as these came on board with bearish as well. Right around here, it was suggestive of a move lower. We did get a bit of a divergence here, but obviously you see accelerating bearishness, decelerating bullishness here, and once we got to here, it was just pretty much all bear except for this huge price move, errant move, we'll call it. We've been getting a lot of those errant moves lately, but we did get an errant move here on this day, Tuesday, to finish the session. Wasn't to be as we came in Wednesday, broke below the trend again right here, fully bearish, bearish, and accelerating. Definitely want to be selling the market there. That was around 840. In the S&P, and really we haven't really looked back. We did get some divergences here, but obviously full bearish in all time frames, so that was suggestive that this move just simply wasn't going to hold. We did get the nice orderly move back into the trend on Thursday, followed by a bit of a sell-off. This was an errant move, obviously. Actually broke above the trend, turned this a little bit bullish, that a little bit bullish, but still no signs of bullishness in either one of our primary or secondary indicators. And so once we got back below the trend, these folks realized it just wasn't going to happen. Got a retest of the trend from lower side, broke the moderate uptrend of the intraday, and that's what you get, a move of 50 points to the downside. Just some pretty impressive moves we've seen. Actually, unfortunately, this stopped out a lot of our day trading positions. I think our day traders finished flat on the day as a result. So these errant moves definitely aren't too enjoyable, but we are managing to profit. So we'll look at that in a second. That's where the dynamics stand. I believe the S&P is up about 20 points this morning as of Friday. So we'll see where we go. Obviously, we are still officially bullish from a market timing perspective, and we'll go ahead and pull that up right here. Where are we? There we are. So, if you actually look at this, it's kind of an interesting situation. We did go against our grain and actually went bullish at around 889. Of course, that was about 150 points higher. We are not going to stop this out as of right now because the move back to the upside should be impressive. This in fact could be the capitulation move. We would have liked to have gotten a flush out this morning, suggested that it might not be. Nevertheless, we're going to hold on for now until the market calms down and decide whether or not we're going to keep our official market timing at bullish that we had from 889. First, I guess, errant trade of the day or the year. I've been putting up some very impressive discretionary gains, as you guys have seen, but we're just going to hold on to this one. Again, it went against our discipline and really was going to take advantage of the market environment and jump ahead of it, but obviously that's been a little bit early, so we'll see where it goes. Running out of time here, so what do we see here? Full bearishness. If you look at our just our indications, 30% bearish, full bearish from a trend following perspective, full bearish from a price technical perspective. In fact, we've broken now this low. So Wednesday's move reversal to the downside and Thursday's fall through move does suggest that this move has been broken in a knife-like manner and should merit attention. But nevertheless, pierced right below 800. We'll look at a monthly chart in a second, see how this is even more significant than just a daily breakdown and fall through this trend. We do expect to go lower now and are definitely looking for another opportunity to take advantage of that and buying more. So there we are at short-term bearish in terms of momentum intermediate term bearish, short term bearish. That should read. Apologize for that. Within the intermediate term bearish scenario there from directional movement, from a directional movement standpoint. So everything is bearish on this chart. So we definitely need to get some price action back above 800. If you look at the excuse me, if you look at the monthly, we mentioned this, that it was a bit of a concern that we had broken through this a little bit, but we did anticipate retesting these lows and a nice move back to the upside. This low obviously was 775.68. This one was the same. Where do we sit now? 752.44. So hopefully we can get a little bit of a flush out maybe today, possibly even Monday, but we definitely expect another great tradable bottom within the next 3 days should price action confirm that. So we're definitely looking for that in anticipation. So where have the portfolio's been? Well, actually, you just saw that one. This part of our dual day trade, the grind, continued to put up eye-popping returns. 850 short down to 810. Again, we did get stopped out. Just very difficult to hold positions in this wild and whippy range, extreme range market. But we did get 850 down to 810. Nice 40-point pop, $2,000 a contract on there for the winner. Of course, we did have to subtract the loser there. Again, got another loser, but an eye-popping 50-point gain was it on Thursday for the dual day, or that half of the dual day trader DS. There's our S&P 400 System 1.0 just putting up an amazing gain. Look, what's that? 490 to 415, almost 100 points or $10,000 just on this short position per contract. But we're going to go ahead and switch over and look at where we've been the last couple of days. There you have it. Been interesting over the last couple of days. Well, let's go ahead and go back up here. So the last 2 days return, 15% for the matte black, 23% for the swinger DT, but the very impressive numbers have been, as you just saw, the dual day trader DS, the day trader 5.0. The other half of this hasn't actually traded the last couple of days, to my knowledge. So very impressive 60% gain for the dual day trader in just 2 days. Great opportunity to get involved with that portfolio. Very popular portfolio. 40% gain for the Delta B. These are original portfolios. Now you can go to the website. You can actually trade these portfolios if you specify. These are original portfolios, but as you know, you can go to the website and click on 2008 returns, and these are a little more risky returns, but these are our actual updated portfolios. So if you go down to Delta Black, or actually Delta B, which should be right there, you can see that actually this portfolio is even better. 740% return against a 48% drawdown. This used to be a conservative portfolio. Obviously, it's not considered a conservative portfolio, but these are the systems that you can take advantage of in the new Delta B, 2 lots of Day Trader 5.0. If you're interested in that, or our dual day trader, which was up 60% over the last 2 days, you can enter quantity of 3. You can either buy these 3 consecutive or concurrent subscriptions, so you can get it for a year. Buy 3, you get the 4th quarter free, or just buy 3 and run 4 at the same time free. Or if you are interested in subscribing to the Delta B, you can do so. Go to the website and just go over here to the Deltas right there. Delta's right up there, and you should be able to subscribe to the Delta B. So if you guys have any questions, hope you guys are having a great trading week and taking advantage of all these opportunities. Go ahead and subscribe to the Delta B, and if you're interested, go ahead and enter promo code VIDEO, and you'll save an extra $300 off the Delta B. So chat with the support team live at www.MiniAnalyst.com, or shoot us an email, admin@MiniAnalyst.com, and let us know if you have any questions or feedback. Hope you guys are having a great week. We'll see you next time.